What I want to show to you now is that our WBA6 is part of the Zephyr ecosystem, which is coming for free as well, and which is something more and more appealing and demanding. So today, you might know that all our microcontrollers are part of the Zephyr environment. So which bring an alternative to our powerful STM32Cube ecosystem. So that being said, you are maybe today based on some, let's say, existing device running over a Zephyr ecosystem, okay? We have all the same in mind, okay? Coming from the north, and you might move to ST, okay? Due to some performance, or let's say some other aspect. Now, this is for sure possible because our full portfolio is part of Zephyr ecosystem. And when I say the full ecosystem, the full portfolio, that means as well our wireless part are part of Zephyr ecosystem. So, and if I open for Zephyr documentation and let me share the screen, if I go to Zephyr documentation, I want to see all the boards supported. So supported board and shield. And then if I go to ST, so if I go to STMicroelectronics, you see that I have the full almost portfolio supported from a general purpose, low power, high end, and as well the WB0 from the low end WB0 to the dual core W55, and as well as you can see the Nucleo WBA6. And here we are supporting the chipset not only as a pure microcontroller with peripheral. So of course we are supporting the DMA, the flash controller, the IOs, I2C. But of course we are supporting the Bluetooth. So we are using the Zephyr Bluetooth stack. So in short, if today you are based on some other solution using Zephyr, you can now easily move to ST. And this is one of the purpose of Zephyr because we are part of the Zephyr ecosystem. And we are a strong contributor as ST to this overall ecosystem. So what I have now on my desk, I have still my Nucleo WBA65, okay, which is part of Zephyr, so nice sticker. And what I want to show to you is that I will basically build and flash from Zephyr ecosystem. So here on my desk, I have the Zephyr ecosystem setup. And here again, if you go to Zephyr documentation, within few, let's say, minutes, you would be able to install. Okay, it used to be quite complex, but it has been strongly simplified. So easily to install Zephyr. Then you have access to a lot of samples code. The one I'm using again is a peripheral array, the same we are using from the beginning. The build has been already done, because building over Zephyr time to time is quite consuming and we have not so much time today for to get some question at the end. So now I will plug the board to my desk. I will use the west flash command to flash my board. Flashing on the way. And in the meantime, again, I will mirror my smartphone, which is on my desk. So on my desk, I have the board flashed with Zephyr RED. And if I mirror my smartphone, so visor is there. Yes, I open back my favorite BLE ST BLE2 box. I need, of course, to remove ST device because here I'm no more advertising with some advertising bytes saying I am a ST device, but I'm using Zephyr. And indeed, I am able to see the Zephyr heart rate application. I can connect. I have the heart rate, and here I've got some. Don't be afraid, Lubosh. This is emulated data, a bit high, but okay. I'm not so stressed, okay? So, again, this is what I want to show, something pretty efficient and easy to use. Zephyr coming now part of our overall, let's say, alternative solution.